Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a profound idea: the real reason you invest. It's not just about accumulating more money. It's about buying something far more valuable. We're here to guide you through the philosophy of slow fire and how it can help you reclaim true control over your life. Get ready to discover what this truly is. Every morning, many of us face the same daily paradox. We endure long commutes, skip lunches to save a few dollars, and rub our tired eyes, checking ETF returns on the train ride home. We obsess over the charts, track every percentage point, and constantly monitor our portfolios. But let's pause for a moment and ask ourselves, have we forgotten why we are grinding? Are we truly chasing freedom, or are we just pursuing a higher score in a never-ending game? If your primary investment goal is to buy a Ferrari or a luxury apartment to impress others, you're actually running a race with no finish line. There will always be a newer car, a bigger house, or a more exclusive experience to chase. This pursuit of consumption keeps you trapped in what we call the rat race forever. The critical reality check here is that the goal isn't just to look rich, the ultimate goal is to be free. The world's most successful investors share a common secret. They didn't pursue wealth just to buy luxury items. As one mentor eloquently put it, success is the privilege of waking up and saying, "I can do whatever I want today." These visionary individuals pursued independence above all else. Their ultimate return on investment wasn't merely a 20% annual gain, it was the total ownership of their own time, their choices, and their lives. Consider this powerful reframe: money is a coupon for time. Instead of viewing your investment portfolio solely as purchasing power for goods and services, start seeing it as a stockpile of time coupons. Imagine what just 1 month of freedom could mean: the ability to say no to a toxic boss, the power to refuse unwanted overtime, or the peace of mind to sleep soundly without the constant anxiety of debt. This shift in perspective is truly transformative. However, we must also address the trap of extreme fire, or financial independence: retire early. Sacrificing 100% of today for an uncertain tomorrow is often a broken strategy. Extreme frugality, skipping every coffee, denying every small joy, can lead to severe burnout long before you ever reach financial independence. A wealthy future, no matter how substantial, is worthless if the journey to get there destroys your soul and leaves you utterly depleted. This brings us to slow fire, the sustainable path to true freedom. Slow fire is about finding that crucial balance between present joy and future security. It's defined as building wealth steadily through long-term assets, but crucially, without starving the present. The strategy isn't about quitting your job tomorrow, it's about making sure you're not dying today. We trust in the power of long-term compounding while meticulously maintaining our current well-being and happiness. Some assets are truly ultra-limited edition. No amount of future wealth, no matter how vast, can ever buy back your child's precious childhood or your own fleeting youth. Those simple weekend walks in the park, or memorable family trips, are unique and irreplaceable moments. Don't make the mistake of trading these invaluable, limited edition memories for a slightly higher savings rate. Once these moments are gone, you simply cannot buy that time back later. Financial assets, strategically built, create what we call a margin of safety in your life. This margin is crucial for shifting your entire psychology. Moving from survival mode, where even one missed paycheck could spell disaster, to security mode, profoundly changes how you approach life. It removes the constant pressure and fear, allowing you to breathe and make decisions from a position of strength, not desperation. Once you have that financial safety net, an incredible transformation occurs. Work becomes a bonus game. When you no longer need your job to merely survive, the shackles fall off. Work transitions from a stressful obligation to an activity you can genuinely enjoy and engage with on your own terms. Ironically, when you stop fearing for your livelihood, your performance often improves, stress vanishes, and you regain a profound sense of control and enjoyment. With a strong financial safety margin, you truly regain the driver's seat of your life. This shift in power opens up a world of choices. You might choose to move to a job closer to home to dramatically cut your commute, or opt for lower paying but far more meaningful work that aligns with your passions. Most importantly, the ability to walk away from a job gives you the ultimate power, the autonomy to stay on your own terms, not someone else's. It's time for a new metric for wealth. Stop counting dollars in your account. Instead, start counting months of freedom. Tonight, check your financial accounts, but don't ask, how rich am I? Ask yourself, how long can I survive comfortably without working? That number, that duration of sustained independence, is your real wealth score. It's a far more meaningful measure of financial security and life control. Think of investment as a powerful shield of autonomy. This shield protects your life script from being rewritten by others, by external forces beyond your control. We meticulously study investing and diligently accumulate assets for one fundamental reason: to prevent the world from dictating the terms of our lives. It's your defense against unexpected layoffs, against the influence of a bad boss, or against the unpredictable challenges of a recession. Let's summarize the core tenets of the Slow Fire Manifesto. First, buy independence, not just material possessions. Second, never starve the present completely for the sake of the future. Third, treat your work as a bonus game, not a desperate struggle for survival. And finally, value time control above chasing the highest possible financial yield. These principles guide us towards a more balanced and fulfilling financial life. Ultimately, the goal of Slow Fire is to create a life where your Monday morning feels as light and free as your Friday evening. It's about building your assets strategically to buy back your freedom, one time coupon at a time. Tonight, take a moment to check your own time coupons. How much of your precious life have you already reclaimed, and how much more will you strive to take back?